Hello, my name is 𝙏𝙼𝙖𝙣𝙠 𝙔𝙤. I am your chairman affiliate with Liberium Crypto. Welcome to the affiliate compensation plan. We're going to get right to it. I need you to understand that this program is very, very simple, powerful, but yet very, very lucrative. There's no ranks that you have to achieve in order to max out the compensation plan. It's just simply acquiring customers. The company is going to pay you in 3 digital assets: Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin. Commissions are available immediately after 3 blockchain confirmations into the wallet of your choice. Let's take a look at the Liberium Best Value Package. It's $715. Customers will receive 1,000 trade tokens, and for every direct, you will earn $240. How the customer pays is how the company will pay. Second level, $60. Third level, $40. Fourth level, $20. Fifth level, if someone purchased the Liberium package, you would earn $40. On your 6th level, $20. On your 7th level, $16, and levels 8 through 10, $12. On levels 11 through 14, $8, and levels 15 through 20, it pays $4. Let's take a look at the next package, Peace, $537. On your directs, you will earn $180 for every direct piece sale of the crypto trade package. Okay, the automated service on level 2, $45, levels 3, $30, level 4, $15, level 5, $30. Wow. Level 6, $15, level 7, $8, levels 8 through 10, $9, levels 11 through 14, $6, and levels 15 through 20, it pays $3. Let's take a look at the next package, the Justice package for $359. On your directs, it pays $120. Second level pays $30. Your third level pays $20. Your fourth level pays $10. Your fifth level pays $20. On level 6, it pays $10. Level 7, it pays $8. And levels 8 through 10, it pays $6. Levels 11 through 14, it pays $4. And levels 15 through 20, it pays $2. Let's take a look at the standard package, $179, the Veritas. On your directs, it pays $60. On level 2, $15. On level 3, it pays $10. On level 4, it pays $5. On level 5, it pays $10. Level 6, it pays $5. Level 7, it pays $4. Levels 8 through 10, it pays $3. Levels 11 through 14, it pays $2. And levels 15 through 20, it pays $1. Listen to me. You'll have some customers that will start with the Veritas package to see how it works, and then they will then purchase the Liberium package at $715, and it pay out commission again. Depending on the trader that consumers are following, if they're purchasing the Veritas package, they could very well, in some cases, purchase this package twice in the same month because of the number of trades within that month. Are you hearing me? Which means it pays the commissions all over again. Let's talk about the trade signals. It pays 5 levels deep. Your direct, it pays $15. Second level pays $7. Third level pays $5. Fourth level pays $3. On your 5th level, it pays $10. Just to recap, very powerful program, very simple. Our Liberium package on your direct, it's $240. On the Peace package, it's $180. The Justice package is $120. The Veritas package is $60. The Signals only is $15. You know, I've been talking with some leaders as they've been building and growing their business. And I've got one leader that had someone to fall on their 5th level. And on their 5th level, that leader personally directly enrolled 150 directs in 24 hours during pre-lunch. Did you hear me? And they don't even know who they are. And that's what will happen as you build a business like this, because it takes leaders with vision to help people with dreams. We are introducing consumers and educating them on a business model that allows them to maintain control of their digital asset at all times, where they always have control of their money, all trades taking place inside of their own exchange that no one has access to but them. And if something were to ever happen to the company, God forbid, no one could say that Liberium Crypto walked away with their cryptocurrency. That can never, ever happen here. So you can feel comfortable introducing others and knowing that you're not jeopardizing your reputation by introducing them to this business model. Special promotion during the first week of the launch. The company's going to pay out an additional $20 on all the directs. Did you hear me? That means the Liberium package will pay $260. The Peace package will pay $200. The Justice package will pay $140. The Veritas package will pay $80, and the Signals only will pay $25. This promotion will run the first week of our launch. As with any business, your results will vary and will be based on your individual capacity, work, business experience, expertise, and level desires. There are no guarantees concerning the level of success you may experience. Any testimonies and examples used are exceptional results, which do not apply to the average purchaser and are not intended to represent a guarantee that anyone will achieve the same or similar results. Each individual success depends on his or her background, dedication, effort put forth, desire, and motivation. This, ladies and gentlemen, is truly next level. Liberium Crypto, onward and upwards. Now let's grow. Thank you for your time and have a blessed day.